Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfers. So in this video I will show you the best PDF locker with free license key and it will be fully activated version. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. So to protect your PDF from any kind of risk, this software will best for you. So firstly you have to copy the link to your browser and in the server you have to search it. So after paste the link, you will come into this interface. So this software is basically Coolmuster PDF Locker. So you can set a password to prevent your PDF from unauthorized access or modification. So it will support Windows. It will support Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. So it will be absolutely free. So to get it free, you have to provide your name, email address, and captcha code. Then you have to click on submit. Click on this and you can see this is the license key we have to put into the software. Download the software. So to download it, go to this file and this is a software link. So copy the link and paste it into the browser. See this, the software is downloading. It will take a little bit time. So I have downloaded successfully the Coolmuster PDF Locker. Now I will install it. So to click on it, click on yes. Here you have to install it. So click on next, I agree, install. You can see this is a trial version. Set password for PDF. 3 item only can install. 3 item only can set password. So to get unlimited access, you have to register it. So to register it, click on register, and here you have to provide the email address, and here you have to license key. You have to copy it and you have to paste it here. Click on. You can see this. You have successfully registered. Thank you for registering. So click on this. Click on OK. If you again go to register, here you can see this 1 year subscription has been activated. It will expire on July 18, 2027. So remaining 365 days. So click on OK. Now if I want to lock a PDF, now I have to lock in a PDF. So you have to click on add file. Any PDF file, click on open. File is open successfully and you have to password. So firstly you have to provide your password and there you have to select a file where the file will save. Finish the file encryption successfully 100%. So show in folder. So if I want to open this file, I have to go to the file location. Encrypted. If I want to open it, click on open. So it is asking password. You can see this is asking password. If I don't put password, this file won't be open. So if I provide password, so this file has opened successfully. So this way you can use this software. This is really amazing. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.